Welcome back to RAThbun's YouTube channel. We try to put videos on here every other day. We try to keep them short enough that you can drink a cup of coffee while you're watching the video. Hopefully you find them interesting enough to subscribe. This next video is going to be about working on the motorcycle. Let's see what RAThbun is up to today.
It is so cold in the old hog shed. Can you see my breath? It's about 30 degrees in here. Kicked that on. I pulled that off. I had that up there. We took the trunk out. It looks like it's damn near brand new, and I think it pretty much was. So what we're going to do is it's bent. You can see that right there. We're going to take it off. We're going to take it over here to the bike and stick it on there. I'm keeping the seat off that bike too, if it's in better shape than mine. So we're going to be putting that on the bike. I was going to put the backrest on there, but the problem I'm having with the backrest is I got these on here and I ain't taking them off. And that's right there on the other side is where that little switch goes for the backrest. So till I can figure that out, I don't know what we're going to do. We may not use it, may sell it. I thought I had transmission sold once. The guy says, yeah, I'll be down tomorrow. He called me when he was supposed to be here, about 20 minutes before he's supposed to be here. And I've never heard this excuse before, but he said his neighbor died. Well, that was 4 days ago. I guess his neighbor's still dead. I don't know. Anyway, he didn't show up, so I brought it back in here and put it back in the hole. We're still a few $100s short of paying the thing off, which is okay. It's getting a little trashy in here, though. I'm saving boxes for people if they want to buy some parts or something. I can throw them in there. I think I found a front fender that matches that, but until I get some of this stuff sold, I'm not buying no more parts. But anyway, we're going to take this apart here, and like I said, it's cold, so I'm going to leave my gloves on. We got a bolt here, there, and there. Got that one off already. I don't wonder where that one came from. So we're going to take them off. Then we're going to start working on it, and I'll try to show you if I can what we're doing over there on that part. Well, you can definitely tell it's bent. What do you think? That's a bent. A bent more so on that side. So what we're going to do is use that bike right there because it's got the things on it. I'm going to try to just set that on there and then bend that a little bit until I get it to fit on there. Nice and easy. But that's going to take a lot of bending there. But we'll do that. Once I get it set on there and it's working, then I'll just put it back on. Then we'll have that ready to go on the back of the bike if we change over to red color. So let's see what we can do. See how far off it is. Maybe I can get a picture of that for you. Well, I got her sitting on there. It didn't bend nothing. Front set fits. But see, that's tweaked that way. This one's tweaked that way. So what we got to do is straighten them all out that way. And this one here she's right just about over the top of it. Once we get her straightened out in the front, I think that'll bring the back around. So I'm going to straighten that out. What I was going to do is put that in my wood vise so I don't scar it up any, and then do some tweaking on it. I have to take that in the main shop to do that. This is how I'm bending this. I got that side, I think it's that side. Yeah, I got this one pretty straight here. I think it needs to come out a little bit more down there. This one we're just starting to work on. This one needs to go that way. I think this one may need to go in a little bit, but we're going to get it straightened out pretty close. Just by, it's easy to bend. Just like lifting up right there. That's bending it right there. So we'll get that straightened out a little more. We'll go try it out. Well, she goes on easy. And got a little bit of a catch here. But all I got to do is just wiggle a little bit and it goes on. But I think I'm going to fine tune that all the way in a little bit. I mean, it ain't much. It's bent out. I've been overcorrected just a 1/16 of an inch, maybe. Maybe even less than that. So all I got to do is straighten that out, and we're good to go there. Let me see if I can take it off here with one hand. That's how that works. And you take this one and you go with this one and you go like that with that, and off it comes. There you go. Now to put it back on, put it there, and that should go right down into it. See, it fits. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. Went right on, didn't it, guys? Well, that's one thing. Now I'm just gonna bolt that back on the bottom of that. I noticed this one has a key, a different key. So I've got to figure out what I want to do on the key situation, because I do want to be able to lock it, and I don't want to carry a bunch of keys. That's why we changed the gas cap over there on that. Look at that thing, it's all foggy because it's so cold in here. I got the heater going, but there's how cold it is in here. Whoo, she's cold. Well, I'm going to bolt that on, put the 4 bolts back in it, and we're going to call that a done video. I hope you like my AI girls helping me out on this thing. Man, they're wonderful, ain't they? Kind of nice to look at, too. See y'all later in the next one.
I hope you liked the video, guys. If you subscribe to my channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to be notified of upcoming videos. We have lots to look at, all kinds of content from this channel. Subscribing it will help us greatly.